Ay, when it come to you, pistol like buzz, issue with trust. Won't let no one get a piece of your love. Yeah, base it on loyalty, base it on us. I ain't the picture perfect type, but I'm making it up. You say you want a bad flip, but I can't get enough.
Hey guys, so I just realized na wala pala akong introduction to my vlog. So this is my introduction to my vlog. It's just a small vlog, and please like, share, and subscribe. Teka muna.
Lights went down when you feel lost in your shadow. Don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in
Super cold.
Don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world. Broken but strong, gotta move on. You're not a big real.
Parang yung parking, parang mahuhulog naman yung ano.
Ito matutumba yan na para bang domino siya.
Galing.
Para siyang
Nakaka-amaze. Oh. Parang mais yung building. Nice.
Gusto niyo maglakad sa baba. So, halika dito tayo.
Parang swimming pool.
Parang big bus. Parang yan, may nakikita ka na parang may nakalagay Chicago. So, pwede picturean siya maganda.
Wow!
Yan o, yung taxi. Bumili na kami ng ticket. Bumili na si Kevin ng ticket.
Ang ganda ng tubig po dito.
Kasi may, pag may, what's this? Pag winter ice siya. So, parang nakakapag-rest yung water.
Diba?
Ganda.
May picture tayo. Pwede pala dito mag-park yung mga yate. Tapos pwede silang umorder sa mga restaurants. Ganda ng tubig dito, parang kulay parang cyan, blue na aquamarine. May isda ba dito? Yung yung weather pa, it's super cold. May doggy. Mauna kayo.
At
Thank
your
you
own
po.
pace, okay?
Look at the skylines. At may namimingwit. May nahuli ba? This city is very beautiful. Medyo maingay lang dahil maraming tao at maraming ganap. And people here are very diverse.
so loud. We are living in this cruel world. Broken but strong, gotta move on. You're not a bakery of life. Equip my soul with
May prenuptial photoshoot dun kanina. And ang magical lang kasi may nagbabayad. Pupunta kami ngayon sa Starbucks. Pero feeling ko maraming tao. Ano masasabi mo, sikat na ako?
Sana pa di mo ako makalimutan na naging kabady mo ako sa flight.
Sa per state, merong flag. Tapos
Chicago
per...
yun.
Ang
Oo,
tawag
Chicago
sa
yung
Chicago, parang city.
Kasama ko po yung vlogger na nakagain ng 1 follower sa Chicago. Ayun lang. Okay, so as you can see, wala sila nakita kotse. We're here. Ay, ito kay Starbucks. Ayan. Kami dyan sa Starbucks Reserve Roaster. Ang daming
Haba ng
turista.
pila.
Sobrang lokal.
Ang dami naman Tagalog dito. Narinig mo ba?
Kabayan.
Kabayan.
Ang haba ng pila.
Haba pa. Para magdapo.
Oo nga, hanggang doon pa.
Sayang yung oras.
Oo, tara na sa Navy Pier. Starbucks.
Sa Pilipinas na lang walang pila. May ganyan din sa Tagaytay.
Ah, talaga?
Oo,
May pila
lagi
din.
yung pila. Punta kami sa Navy Pier. Masyado nakakalamang ka din.
Lagi kitang-kita sa vlog yung pagmamayabang. Yeah, that's it.
Alright, I do ice latte.
Ah, yeah, sure. No
Would you
worries.
like to do a 20 ounce?
I'm just gonna go with the... What's the smallest? The 6 in? That'll be fine. Sure. How can I pay? Just tap here? I-iri yung pangalan mo dito. Wait mo lang, i-iri yung pangalan mo. Anong pupuntahan natin doon?
Ferris wheel. Ano ba siya sa
Ferris
Japanese
wheel.
way?
Kanran siya? Hey Siri,
Karinsha. Karinsha.
What is Ferris wheel in Japanese?
Tricycle ata yun. Pero okay dito.
Bakit?
Bawas yung yelo.
Ah, parang mas concentrated yung lasa. Sa akin naman, maraming yelo. Kaya nilipat ko sa kanan. Okay lang kahit matapang, parang mulat ka mamayang gabi.
Tago pa din.
Donation.
Oo, donation.
Kuha nga ako dito.
Kuha.
Hindi ka mag-donate, kukuha ka. We are finally in Navy Pier. Paluneta Park na to, no? At yung cone dito kulay green din. Hindi orange. So cute. This one's so nice. Wow. Ang ganda dun sa Ferris wheel pero parang medyo pricey, $25. Pero I think it's a good experience kung ito try mo pero not in our budget. Ngayon naman po ay pupunta tayo ng The Bean kung saan natin makikita yung parang bean. Yung silver na bean, yung sikat na landmark ng Chicago. Ay, may Target! Target ba to? Hahanap muna tayo ng murang souvenirs. $5 talaga siya.
Ay, pangalan ko.
Galing yung umiilaw.
Excuse me, folks. Pardon me. I'm just accessing the
I'm
table.
sorry.
Oh, well, how's it going today?
Good, it's a little hot.
All right.
How much is the cheapest rock magnet here?
Cheapest fridge magnet?
No worries, we'll just,
Okay.
find
thank-
anything here.
Well, for the price.
You're awesome, thank you.
You're welcome.
Parang pin sa ano? Yun na, no?
Ilan ba rep mo?
45 na rep. Made in China, dapat nag-Shopee talaga.
Ayan, start daw eh.
4990.
Start lang.
Starts. Kailan mag-end? Oh, ang laki ng bin, oh. Ay, butas yung bridge nila dito. Butas. Nakahati daw yung bridge para pag may dumaan na vessel. Ba't lahat ng tao dito naka-boots? Ako nga, naka-leather. Wala naman nagreklamo eh. Diba? Tapos, ako magre-reklamo sa kanila. Pindahan natin.
Concrete dreams where the neon glows. Every block tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything goes. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light.
Dito na tayo sa The Bean. We're finally here. The Bean. Ang laki pala niya. We just saw The Bean. And I will rate this. Wait lang. Ito naman, tatawanan pa yung kagabi. Mamaya ko nakwento yung nangyari kagabi. May libreng payong ba dito? Libre ba ito? Hindi kasi madaming tao eh. Kasi linggo yata dahil linggo. Pero maganda. Parang deserve niya yung tugtog sa TikTok na. Okay, let's go. Pero the flowers are better in Japan. Ito pang Pilipinas to eh. The wind is getting colder.
Hit that baseline, nice.
Naghihintay kami na sasakyan namin sa boat. Na boat. And medyo mahaba yung pila. Nasa harapan ko. Medyo mahaba yung pila. Pero kami na yung parang medyo malapit na. So pagka dating ng boat, feeling ko kasama na kami sa mga kasakay agad. Ito yung nabili ko. Ref magnet pero plate number yun. After how many minutes? We are riding the boat! Ang maganda po sa taas.
Palm trees swaying with the ocean as my guide. Top down riding at the West Coast vibes collide.
we're going down to the Chinatown.
Once again, this is Chinatown. Watch your step, getting off the boat.
Gold, cruising past the waves, feel that rhythm unfold. Beachfronts to backyard, parties in sight, under neon skies that light up the night.
This is filmed the same time I did my introduction. So I just came back from our mini tour today in the city, and I have seen a lot of things, and we did a lot of things as well, thanks to our very, very, very kind and generous Ate Clarice and Kuya Kevin, are relatives of my colleague and friend Lorena. I really appreciate them, and I also had so much fun. I wasn't able to get a lot of videos, but I tried my best, because you know, as someone who came here for the first time, I also wanted to experience it firsthand and not just using my camera and all of that. I think I wasn't able to show that we ate in Triple Crown in Chinatown, Chicago, but the food there, it's nice. Someone approached me when we're walking in the street, and he said he wants to check my video out, so I'm speaking in English for you, just so you know. You're awesome, made my day. And I think that's it. I'm back in my hotel, and a little background for what happened yesterday in my room. I think I wasn't able to mention it here as well. The fire alarm went on, and we had to evacuate last night, but fortunately I think there was no fire, but the water is everywhere in the hotel last night. But fortunately my room wasn't too wet at all, just the floors, but my things and all of my papers are safe, especially my passport. They're safe. That's all I wished last night. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this very short vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Bye.